Hello students, in this video lecture we are going to discuss this concept right circular cylinder and how to find out equation of right circular cylinder with the help of given information. Now right circular cylinder, it is a surface generated by a straight line which number 1 intersect a fixed circle which is called as guiding curve, and second one, this straight line it is perpendicular to the plane of the circle. Now in this diagram, so this straight line, this is called as generator, okay, and the line which passes through the center of the circle and which is perpendicular to the plane of the circle, this is called axis of the right circular cylinder. This is called axis of right circular cylinder. Okay, so this is generator, this is axis, and this distance, this distance, this is called radius of right circular cylinder. Now how to find out equation of right circular cylinder with the help of given information. So to find equation of right circular cylinder, whose radius is r and axis is the line x minus alpha by L is equal to y minus beta by m is equal to z minus gamma by n. So what is the description of this line? It is the line which passes through alpha, beta and gamma and having direction ratios L, M, N. Now how to find out equation of right circular cylinder whose radius is known and axis is also known. Now refer this diagram. So let us say this is the axis. So since the axis passes through alpha, beta, gamma, so I denote this point by alpha, beta and gamma. You take any one point which lies on this right circular cylinder. Let us say coordinates of this point are x, y, z, and denote this point by m. So let us say this point is A. Now let us form the right angle triangle whose vertices are APM. So this is perpendicular and join these 2 points AP. So this angle is right angle. Now let us refer this right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle, in triangle APM, you know that what is Pythagoras theorem? It is AP square is equal to PM square plus AM square. Now what is PM? PM is the radius which is given as r. Now what is AP? It is the distance between these 2 points. So by distance point formula, AP square is equal to x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square plus z minus gamma whole square. So this is your AP square. Now PM square, so it is r square, that is radius of this right circular cylinder. Now very important point in this equation of right circular cylinder is how to calculate this AM. Now AM is nothing but it is the projection, AM is nothing but projection of line segment AP on the line whose, now I write here, whose direction ratios are L, M, N, and these are also direction ratios of axis of the right circular cylinder. So AM is, it is the projection of line segment AP on the line whose direction ratios are L, M, N. Now what is this projection? It is L into x minus alpha plus M into y minus beta plus N into Z minus gamma divided by root of L square plus M square plus N square. Okay, so this is the projection of line segment AP on the line whose direction ratios are L, M, N. So this is very important point while determining the equation of right circular cylinder. And if L, M, N, these are direction cosines, then automatically root of L square plus M square plus N square will become 1. Now let us use this equation. AP square is equal to PM square plus AM square. Now AP square, which is, so from equation 1 I mention here 1. So from equation 1, AP square, which is x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square plus z minus gamma whole square is equal to PM square, that is R square plus, now I write in bracket, L into x minus alpha plus M into y minus beta plus N into Z minus gamma divided by root of L square plus M square plus N square whole square. So which is required equation of right circular cylinder. Okay, now let us discuss the special cases, particular cases. So particular case, now let us say axis of the right circular cylinder which passes through origin. It means equation of axis is x by L upon y by M is equal to Z by N. So this is the equation of line which passes through 0, 0, 0 and having direction ratios L, M, N. So it means alpha is 0, beta is 0, gamma is 0. So x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square plus into bracket Lx plus my plus nz, since alpha, beta, gamma these are 0. So divided by root of L square plus M square plus N square whole square. Okay, so this is equation of right circular cylinder whose radius is R and axis is the line x by L upon y by M is equal to Z by N. Moreover, if axis is along Z axis, then what will happen? What are the direction ratios of z axis? So equation of axis, since z axis passes through origin, so equation of axis is, it is x upon, now what are the direction ratios of z axis? They are 0, 0, 1. They are also direction cosines. So x upon 0 is equal to y upon 0 is equal to z upon 1. See, these are the 0, 0, 1. These are the direction cosines as well as direction ratios of z axis. So, and radius will remain same as it is r. So therefore, under this situation, equation of right circular cylinder becomes x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square plus, now L is 0, M is 0, N is 1. So it is simply z square and denominator is 1. So simplify this. So it is x square plus y square is equal to r square. So if I say x square plus y square is equal to 5, so this is equation of right circular cylinder. What is the description of this right circular cylinder? So axis is along z axis and radius is root 5. See, in 2 dimension it is a circle, but in 3 dimension it is a right circular cylinder. Now if the axis is along, if axis is along y axis, so apply the same logic, you will get the equation x square plus z square is equal to r square. And similarly, if axis is along x axis, then equation of right circular cylinder becomes y square plus z square is equal to r square. Okay, so these are the special cases of right circular cylinder. So thank you for watching this video.